Little storyteller.
Lily had a shiny red spending jar. It was magic. Every time Lily looked inside, it was full of sparkly coins. She could buy any little toy or sweet she wanted. One sunny day, Lily saw a fluffy white bunny in the pet shop window. It had big, floppy ears and a tiny pink nose. Lily wanted it more than anything. But a bunny cost many, many sparkly coins. Lily looked at her full jar. She could buy a little toy car now, and then another one later, or she could save her coins for the fluffy bunny. Saving seemed hard, but Lily really, really wanted that bunny. So every time she wanted a little toy or a sweet, she looked at the fluffy bunny in her mind. She put the sparkly coins back in her jar. The jar always stayed full, but Lily felt a different kind of happy when she put the coins back. It felt good to save. Days went by, filled with sunshine, and the thought of the fluffy bunny. Finally, Lily looked in her jar, and knew she had saved enough imaginary coins. She went to the pet shop and brought the fluffy bunny home. She named him Snowdrop. Lily loved to pet Snowdrop's soft fur, and watch him wiggle his nose. She felt so happy she had saved for him. It felt even better than buying lots of little things. Lily learned that saving for something special can bring a lot of joy, and guess what? Rabbits love to eat carrots. Carrots are good for them, just like saving is good for you.
Please subscribe. Thank you.